Hey everyone, if you want to customize Vivaldi Browser themes in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to change themes, colors, and make your browser look exactly the way you want. First, customizing themes helps you create a comfortable browsing experience and makes your browser more personal and easier to use. Start by opening Vivaldi. Click the Vivaldi menu in the top left corner and go to Settings. In Settings, click on the Themes tab. Yeah, this is where all appearance customization options are available. Now select a built-in theme like light, dark, or one of the pre-made Vivaldi themes. Next, you can change accent colors, background colors, and highlight colors. This lets you fully personalize the browser look. You can also enable transparency effects for tabs and panels. Yeah, this gives a modern glass-like look. Now go to tab settings and change how tabs look. You can choose compact, wide, or stacked tab styles. You can also set a custom background image for the start page. Yeah, this makes your browser feel more personal. After customizing everything, save your theme so you can reuse it anytime. If you use Vivaldi Sync, your theme settings can also follow you across devices. A common mistake is changing only one setting and expecting a full theme change. You need to adjust both colors and theme presets. For the best look, use a dark theme with a custom accent color. Yeah, it improves readability and reduces eye strain, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize Vivaldi browser themes in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.